Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to use freeze and unfreeze in attribute table. For example, when you are moving to right side in the attribute table, we cannot see the object ID here. So that time we can use freeze. So I want to see this one object ID when you are moving to right side. That time we can select the object column, right button, click here, freeze, click that one. Now you can move right side. Now see, now we can see the object ID column. So that time we can know the what type of object ID here, how much we can know. So like this we can use freeze. Now we want to unfreeze this one, just select right button, just click freeze and unfreeze column. Then now you can move right side. Now we cannot see the object ID column here. So like this we can use. Now we can use multiple column also. So for example, I want to see the object ID, fitting type and install date when you are moving to right side. So select three columns. Then right button click, freeze it. Now we can move right side. When you are moving right side, we can see the object ID, subtype name, install date. You can scroll down also, we can know the which object type, subtype type, name, install date also. See, now if you want to unfreeze, just select these three. Right button click, unfreeze. Now we can move right side. You cannot see that object ID, install date, name field. Like this we can use freeze and unfreeze in attribute table. Okay guys, thank you so much.